10 foods that can prevent pimples. Do you know that your acne or pimples have more to do with what you eat than your hygiene or genetics? In this video, I will share with you how much your diet controls your pimples and what foods you should eat more of to prevent abscesses and acne. Many people seem to think that pimples and acne are caused by genetics or poor hygiene. What many do not know is that diet has a lot to do with it. What you eat can either cause flare-ups or keep them from happening again. If you were someone who often struggles with pimples, here are 10 foods you should eat more often. 1. Berries. Berries are filled with antioxidants that benefit the entire body, most especially the skin. Antioxidants boost skin rejuvenation and so helps keep blemishes and dark spots from forming. To make the most of their benefits, aim to consume the equivalent of 8 strawberries per day. 2. Cruciferous Vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower, broccoli, and collard greens are rich in amino acids called histidine. This helps protect the skin from sun damage and environmental exposure. Plus, they are high in folic acid, which is essential to optimum skin health. 3. Leafy Greens. Leafy greens like kale, spinach, and arugula are incredibly nutritious. They are also packed with antioxidants that boost the development of healthy skin cells. Also, they are a good source of vitamin C, which improves the skin's ability to generate elastin and collagen. 4. Legumes. Legumes like lentils, kidney beans, and chickpeas are excellent low glycemic index foods. Swapping out high carbohydrate foods with low glycemic index options helps lower inflammation. Consequently, it will help minimize flare-ups and clear up acne altogether. 5. Lemons. Lemons contain lots of ascorbic acids, which offers several benefits to the skin. It helps boost collagen production and lighten pigmentation. Plus, it is a potent antioxidant that minimizes the effects of pollution and sun exposure. To enjoy its benefits, squeeze some lemon juice into your drinking water and use lemon zest frequently in your meals. 6. Papaya. The flesh of papayas is rich in skin-perfecting enzymes that offer incredible benefits to people who suffer from frequent pimple breakouts. Papain helps reduce acne-causing inflammation within the body. Plus, papayas are rich in flavonoids and carotenes, which are essential to healthy, glowing skin. 7. Pumpkin. Pumpkins are packed with vitamins A, C, and E, which are all essential to optimal skin rejuvenation. They are also rich in antioxidants, which offers numerous anti-aging benefits. In all, it helps minimize breakouts and has nutrients that soothe redness and inflammation. 8. Salmon. Salmon meat is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are incredibly useful in minimizing skin inflammation. It is also a good source of protein needed for skin health. Plus, consuming salmon and other fatty fish helps keep the skin adequately hydrated. 9. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which combat free radicals in the body. Free radicals make the skin more prone to breakouts, blemishes, and aging. Consuming sweet potatoes regularly will help you have blemish-free and younger-looking skin. Plus, this root crop is packed with vitamin C and E, which further enables you to have healthy, supple, and glowing skin. 10. Quinoa. Quinoa is an excellent source of the amino acids that serve as building blocks for healthy skin. It is also packed with vitamin E, which is crucial to fight free radicals that speed up skin aging. Plus, it is a good source of niacinamide, which is excellent in fighting acne. These 10 foods that can prevent pimples will help you nourish your skin. Add them to your diet and try to eat them as frequently as possible to minimize dreaded breakouts. When you make changes to your diet and eat plenty of these beneficial foods, you will notice the changes to your skin also. The sooner you start, the clearer and blemish-free skin you will have. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.